everyone, welcome to the Photoshop tutorial of Marquee's channel. So today's video we are going to look into some of the basic tool in Photoshop. So let's move on to the video. We are going to look into the retouching and painting tools. So under the retouching and painting tools, we are going to look deep into the pencil tool. So let's see what's the use of the pencil tool. So the pencil tool is used to draw freehand lines with the hard edge. Okay, the pencil tool and the paintbrush tool, these both are the similar tools. The main difference between the tool is that although both use the same type of brush, the pencil tool will produce fuzzy edges even with a very fuzzy brush. Can you get it? So let's learn how to use the pencil tool. So you can select the pencil tool by right clicking on the brush tool and you'll be able to get the pencil tool, or you can also use the shortcut key, the letter B, for the pencil tool. Okay, so it's just the same as the brush tool, but it's noted for its sharp edge. That is, for unlike the hardness in the brush tool, that is, it's still just hard edge even when you change the hardness to 0%. But like brush tool, you can resize the tip and change the color. That is the brush settings. You can go to the brush tip settings, and this brush tip settings allows you to modify the shape of the brush tool's tip. And now you can click on the small wheel icon, and the settings, you can find the different groups of preset brushes. Okay, unlike the brush tool, you can also increase or decrease the size of the brush, that is the tip of the brush. So the next one is the brush blending modes. That is, you can use this in your pencil tool also. So this is the mode to change how a brush stroke interacts with the pixels behind the stroke. Okay, some of the most blending modes are the normal one. That is this one paints color as normal. So the next one is the dissolve mode. That is, the edge of the brush stroke is added with some sharpness. That is, you need to select the layer and open the blend mode list and choose any one of them. Okay, so moving on to the next one, that is the opacity and flow. That is also, unlike the brush tool, the opacity is the value of the transparency. You can correct the opacity according to your convenience, right? So you can also change the texture, the noise, the smoothing by selecting the brush setting. That is, to select the brush settings tool, we need to select the windows followed by brush settings, and the brush settings dialog box appears. So you can customize the brush tips shape. Okay, so you can use it as many shapes and as many times you want in a particular image. Mainly they use this pencil tool to draw or to paint. For this, the hard edge shapes, you can use this pencil tool. So that's it. We come to the end of the video. Thank you. Let's catch up in the next tutorial video. So do suggest us more tutorial ideas to follow and subscribe our channel for more tutorials, and hope you'll write out some great informative source from our channel, and do mention your comments in the chat box. Thank you.